Today we discussed about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, short wise it is AP, arithmetic progression. Before moving to the arithmetic progression, we have to know what is the sequence. Sequence. Sequence means a succession of numbers formed and arranged in a definite rule is called sequence. So, a succession of numbers formed and arranged in a definite rule is called sequence. So what do you mean by sequence? A success of numbers. Suppose example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So these are the numbers. A succession of numbers. This is the succession of numbers formed and arranged in a definite rule. Here rule is 2 to 4, 4 to 6 in a definite rule, 6 to 8, 8 to 10 plus 2, 10 to plus 2, 12. So this sequence, this is a sequence, is arranged in a definite rule. Definite rule. The precedent is 2 more than the follows. The precedent is 2 more than the follows. Then we come to the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which arithmetic progression is a sequence in which each term except the first term differ by a constant from the preceding term. This means AP is a sequence in which each term except the first term, suppose 2, 8, 14, 20, in which each term except the first term, this term except the first term, differ a constant from preceding term. Differ a constant. 8 to constant is difference is 6. 14, 8, difference is 6. 24, 20 and 14, difference is 6. So these they differ by a constant. So this is an AP. Let's come to the different formula or different symbol of the AP. Suppose A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is the number of terms, Tn is the nth term, Sn is the sum of the nth terms. Next, Sn is sum of the nth term. So these are the symbols which is required in the arithmetic mean. Then the formula is, other than the last number n is the last number. So here we move to the formula. So what is Tn? Tn means nth term. Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8. T1 first term, T2 second term, T3 third term, T4 fourth term. First term 2, second term 4, third term 6, fourth term 8. So these are the term. Each one is term. So Tn is a plus n minus 1 whole into d. A is the first term of the sequence of the arithmetic progression. N is the number of terms. D is the common difference. It is the formula of Tn. Next we move to Sn. Sn is sum of the n terms. Suppose here sum of the n terms is this plus sum of these terms. So Sn is n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 whole into d. This is the Sn. The number sum of the nth term. Then Sn otherwise formula. Second formula is n by 2 whole into a plus L. A plus L. Here a is here 2. L is the last number. In a question, the first term and the last term is given. Then the Sn is n by 2 whole into a plus L. Start. Let's go to problem number 1. The question asks, find the 16th term of the AP. Before I discuss, A is equals to 5, D is equals to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Second term minus first term. Never first term minus second term is wrong concept. Second term minus first term. Third term minus second term. Fourth term minus third term. So A is equal to 5. D is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Our question is, find the 16th term of the AP. This means Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 whole into d. This is the formula. But in the question, 16th term, that means T16 is equals to a. This is a plus n minus 1 16th term. N is 16. And 16 minus 1 into d. Where is d? D is 3. Then T16 is equals to 5 plus, this is 15 into 3, it is 45. So T16 is equals to 50. Answer. Next come to the second one. How many terms are there in the AP beginning from 7 and with 205? But the question asks, how many terms are there? This means this is Tn. First A is equals to 7, D is equal to 13 minus 7, always second minus first, is equal to 6, A and D. How many terms? Means we have to find out what is N. Tn is equals to 205. Tn formula A plus n minus 1 whole into d is equal to 205. This implies A is 7 plus n minus 1. N to find. N is not here. Whole into d. D is 6 is equals to 205. This implies 7. This implies n minus 1 whole into 6 is equal to 205 minus 7. N minus 1 into 6 is equals to 198. 205 minus 7. 5 got 200. 2 got 198. So n minus 1 is equals to 198 by 6. This is 33. Hence n is equal to 33 plus 1 is equals to 34th term is 205. Next comes the number 3. The sixth term of an AP is 12. Sixth term of an AP means T6 A plus n minus 1 whole into D T6. This is equals to A plus n is 6 minus 1 whole into D is equal to A plus 5D. Here you look. T6 is equals to A plus 5D. The sixth term of AP is 12. The eighth term is likewise A plus 7D. A plus 7D. T6 is A plus 5D. The question is given A plus 7D is equal to, and the eighth term is 22, and A plus 5D is equal to 12. What the question is asked, find the first term and common difference. Two questions is given. If we, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, if we subtract this equation, minus, A cancelled, 7, 8 minus 5D, 2D, 22 minus 12, 10, that means D is equals to 5. Common difference is 5. That's the question. But what is the first term? First term is, how to find the first term? D is equal to 5. The first term is A plus 7D is 22. 7D is 22. What is D? D is equal to 5. So when A plus 35 is equal to 22, A is minus 13. This is the answer. D is here. Next, find the sum of the first 17 terms of the AP. But the question is 4 terms. Dash here. Then 17 terms. Find the sum of the first 17 terms. A is equal to 5. D is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. We need S17. Sn. Formula is n by 2 whole into 2A plus n minus 1 whole into D. Then we find the Sn, sum of the first 17 term. This means S17 is equal to n is 17, 17 by 2 whole into 2A, 2 into 5 plus n minus 1 as n is 17, 17 minus 1 whole into D is 4. So this is S17. Now we find the answer. The S17 is equals to 17 by 2 whole into, it is 10 plus it is 16. This equals to 17 by 2 whole into, this is 26. 16, 4, it is 64. This is 74. If we cut it, 37 into 17. 17, 7, 119, 9, carry 11. 17, 3, 51, 11. Number 5. If 2x, x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are in AP, then x is equal to. In case of the AP, the second term minus first term is equal to third term minus the second term. This means in AP, second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. Which one is D? Common difference. So from this question, according to the question, x plus 10 second term minus first term 2x is equals to third term 3x plus 2 minus second term x plus 10. This implies x plus 10 minus 2x is equal to 3x plus 2 minus x minus 10. Am I right? This implies x minus 2x. Here is minus x. 3x minus 3x minus x. It is plus x. It is 2 minus 10. It is plus 10 minus 10. So that this implies minus 4x plus x. This is minus 3x is equal to minus 10 minus 10 minus 20 plus 2. That means it is minus 18. So that x is minus minus cancelled. X is 6. This is the answer. What the question has asked. Number 2. Which term of the series 72 plus 63 plus 54 plus dash 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 is 0? First term is 72. A. D is second term minus first term is equal to minus 9. The question is that which term of the series is 0? This means Tn is equals to 0. The formula of the Tn is A plus n minus 1 whole into D is equals to 0. A is equal to 72 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 whole into D. N is not given. Which term the question has asked? N has asked. Then n minus 1 whole into D minus 9 is equal to 0. Then look. N minus 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 72. This means n minus 1 is equal to minus 72 by minus 9. Minus minus cancel, it is 8. So n is equal to 9. So what the question has asked? Which term of the series is 0? The ninth term of the series is 0. Next. Number 7. Number 7. How many numbers are there between 10 and 200 which are exactly divisible by 7? The number starts from 10 and with 200 which is exactly divisible by 7. The first term after 10 is 14 which is divisible by 10. Next term 21, 7 more. Next term 28, 7 more. Next term 35, 7 more. Last number is 196 which is divisible by 7. 196 which is divisible by 7. Then the question is, how many numbers are there between 10 and 200 which is exactly divisible by 7? That means Tn is equals to 196. This implies A plus n minus 1 whole into D is equal to 196. Here A is 14, n minus 1, n is not given, D is given, 21 minus 14, 7 is equal to 196. N minus 1 whole into 7 is equal to 196 minus 14. This is equal to 182. N minus 1 is equal to 182 by 7. 26th. Next, then n is equal to 27th term. Next, the first term in AP is 6. The question is easy. A is equal to 6. The common difference is 5. D is equal to 5. The 11th term is T11 is equal to A plus n minus 1 whole into D. This equals to A is 6 plus n minus 1. The first term of the AP is 6 and their common difference is 5. So n minus 1 into 5. What is the 11th term? This implies, again the question, the first term of an AP is 6 and their common difference is 5. The 11th term is, n is 11. So T11 is equal to 6 plus 11 minus 1 into 5. T11 is equals to 6 plus 10 into 5. T11 is equal to 56. This is the answer. Thank you for the class. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.